Hello everyone, thanks again for joining me on another one of my soapy time adventures. Today I'm making a new soap, again of course like I always do. It is going to be fragranced with mahogany coconut. Now this says that it does accelerate slightly, but there's no ricing it says, and it does discolor to a brown, which is weird because it has only 0.44% vanillin, which is strange. So my colors, I already went ahead and I put a little bit of titanium dioxide in my oils, my main batch, my big batch of oils. I'm going to be splitting it off. I'm going to be doing, and I'm not quite sure how these are going to look together, but I thought they looked kind of cool, is I'm going to be doing Snake Island and Spacewalk by Mad Micas. I've already got them dispersed in oil. And then I'm going to add to my main part, I'm going to add the Sister Golden Hair Surprise, which I'm actually going to put that in a little container and get it mixed up with oil to just put it in so I don't have as much mixing that I'm going to have to do, because it sounds like it's going to be a little difficult. So I'm going to just put that in there and get that mixed up so we don't have to worry about it. This is going to be my restock of Head in the Clouds. I do that all the time. I do a different fragrance every time I do it, because I'm looking for this perfect fragrance that I want for my husband, which I found it in an oil, and unfortunately the bottle wasn't labeled. A beard oil. I didn't label it. It was a tester, and now I can't remember what scent it is, and so I've been searching everywhere to find out what that scent is. I haven't found it yet, but I thought while I'm at it, I'll use this mahogany coconut because it smells so good. Now this is a Bath & Body Works dupe. I don't usually like to work with dupes. I usually like to work with originals. That's why Midwest Fragrance Company is one of my favorites. However, because it smells so good, I'm just making the exception. So let me zoom out a little bit. Oh no, zoom out, Lynette. Again, working with the wrong side of the camera. So I got everything ready to go. I am putting it in my 3 molds. We are going to be doing 3 molds. Let's hope that it doesn't accelerate too much. I would love to do an in the pot swirl. We'll see what happens. It says you can use up to 9.4% in soap. I'm only using 5%. That's the most I ever go. But I'm hoping it's going to retain really well. I'm just curious to see what it's going to turn out to be. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything started. This does have goat's milk powder in it. It also has colloidal oats and kale and clay, along with my regular mix of oils. So go ahead and get started, and let's get soaping.